Okorjerra har Godwin bihanikire oritauni kiraka wa Rugenda barakikongo town council omu district ya Kasese nagira ngo abashubuzi n'abatembeyi bahirwe sande emwe yonka kuba barugira ha mihanda ahi batwire nabagurize imishuburo yabo.
I have given them 7 clear days of grace so that they can find somewhere to do what? To be. And I will also go there and advise, because I have to meet some landlords and meet these people, and we see where actually they can be.
Abashobozi bono bagira ngo kanso shemerire kutamishwa ha bintu ebiri kutungura tawuni erujya habitine muhoho
baitu ngashikanye kukubaraya efu nawotemu abantu abobulemi ababuyitsotse betu tukikale tunyo mukasasoro kasakasa kandi tunacho situte bakatunga omusara
katuleke tukole undi tonikaso yunusi yo kubanza jingana tamburi ne koma district mabende betsoka mweyi basangana emichomo inokwa stage no bakolira ya bikusa binokwa stage isechepa disikabe kwa maini betu ngabola etonikaso ya Ruganda bangani ya mayo kubanza
tawuni kiraka nagira ngo kubinga abashubuzi n'abatembe yahanguto kiriyo mu mateka.
Whatever we are doing it under the law of Uganda, and therefore we shall always convince them to abide and comply by the law. These things have not started in Ruganda. They have started every other town council or municipality or city. You are hearing of the director Gondi of the Kampala city chasing away the vendors from the streets.
Obutembeyi obutulemu bubukaramo fizi y'omwana etukasomesya kandi bubukaramo renti y'omwana narubi tuko batembeyi bo tukisha mapeleka butembeyi situriyiba abakipatse twamanyumba wa abantu mu Ruganda bara bakisaba mutembeyi mulebe y'omutwa enyumba y'omuntu.
Tawuni kansoni benda abashubuzi n'abatembeyi baze kuguriza hambuga nkuru ezegomborera ya Kiswamba. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.